Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Ranger brake squealing issue and what could be causing it. Brake squealing in the Ford Ranger is commonly described as a high-pitched noise, squeak, or screech heard during braking, especially at low speeds or light pedal application. Reviewed braking system and service documentation indicates that squealing noises can occur across multiple Ford Ranger model years, depending on brake design, material composition, driving conditions, and maintenance history. This issue does not affect all vehicles, and applicability varies by model year and configuration. One verified cause involves brake pad material characteristics. Many brake pads are designed with harder friction materials for durability and performance. These materials can naturally produce squealing noises, particularly when lightly applied or when cold. Another confirmed cause relates to brake pad wear patterns. Uneven wear, glazing of the pad surface, or pads approaching the end of their service life can increase the likelihood of noise during braking. Brake hardware and installation condition is also a documented factor. Missing or improperly seated anti-rattle clips, shims, or hardware can allow vibration between components, resulting in squealing sounds. Rotor surface condition is an additional verified consideration. Surface glazing, minor scoring, or uneven rotor finish can interact with brake pads in a way that produces noise without necessarily affecting braking performance. Environmental and operating conditions are another confirmed aspect. Moisture, dust buildup, or temperature changes can temporarily cause brake squeal, especially after the vehicle has been parked or driven in wet conditions. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, brake system design, pad formulation, or recent brake service, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. General solutions referenced in professional service guidance include inspecting brake pad thickness and condition, checking brake hardware and shims, cleaning brake components, resurfacing or replacing rotors if necessary, and using manufacturer-recommended brake components. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and brake system configuration. In conclusion, Ford Ranger brake squealing is most often associated with brake pad material characteristics, pad wear or glazing, hardware installation issues, rotor surface condition, or environmental factors. The exact cause can vary by vehicle generation and brake design, making proper inspection essential. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.